Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Midlife Crisis. Boy, do I have a special one for you. One of my friends, we're going to take you through her AMG GTR Pro, one of 750 in the world, one of 150 in the US, one of 20 in Solarbeam yellow. So let's get into it.
I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'll make it mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of and give my dreams life. I'll put it all on the line, just like I'm young, wild and
This is a 2020 AMG GTR Pro. Only year they made it.
Solarbeam yellow.
Solarbeam yellow. Love it. I'm typically an unassuming type of person, but once I saw this color, I'm like, I've got to have it.
A little bit of flashy.
A little bit of flash. A little bit of obnoxious, but not too much. It's actually an elegant obnoxious, I think.
So you have owned this for just, what, a little over a year now?
We purchased it in November.
Seems like it's been longer than that.
I know.
And you bought it out of Chicago, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
I was an individual in Chicago, 2018 GTR before this. I was pleasantly surprised by I was expecting a little bit of a different. It's a lot different drive, a lot more responsive, like immediate response.
And now what makes your GTR Pro is a little bit more special than the only 750 of them in the world, 150 in the US. We believe, and I'll check this fact, that there's only 20 in Solarbeam yellow.
That's my understanding.
Now, the icing on the cake is this one has a full RennTech, not only Aero, but also the performance package, correct?
Correct.
The audience in the comments down below will correct me, but I do believe it has the Stage 2 turbos with the tune and the 4-cat downpipes. It is, at the crank, it's about 750 horsepower, about 650 wheel on the dyno, about 700 pound-feet of torque. So it is an absolute track monster, which you haven't tracked yet.
I have not tracked it, no.
Are you going to?
You know, maybe when we get ready to change out the tires.
Okay.
when it's time to change those out, maybe that's when we'll take it on the track for a little bit.
So how fast have you had it so far?
A little over 100 for a short period of time. Haven't been able to really
in Mexico.
Take it out and yes.
Now, how often are you driving it?
Probably twice a month. It's our weekender.
But I heard you're looking at a 458 as well.
Well, I have test drove a 458, and I absolutely love that vehicle. Will not get rid of this. That would be an adder.
An adder.
But yeah, this one we're keeping. This one's special. And like I said, I've had the GTS. I've had the GTR. I loved both of those. Upgraded to the GTR Pro, and this is it. This is a keeper. Which
is funny is it was like the midway track variant of the GTR, and then it's the most rare GT series car there is.
Exactly.
Which
even more rare than the Black Series.
Exactly.
And that's why I don't have any desire to upgrade to the Black Series. This is where we'll keep this.
How many miles have you put on it so far?
So I've put actually about 400. So again, haven't had a chance to take it out. Again, we've had it since November. We'll get it out and we'll have some fun trips.
I mean, that's not considered garage queen. If that was a whole year, I would say then this is a full-on garage queen. But 400 miles is still pretty good.
No way. No way.
And I'm going to take you guys now and take a little bit listen to the AMG GTR Pro exhaust note. Come on! Well, Tracy, thank you for showing me this beautiful car.
Absolutely. I'm glad you're here.
The viewers, as this is mainly just because I own AMGs and AMG-centric channel, but this is probably the most exclusive, rarest car I've done, so thank you so much for the incredible privilege.
My pleasure.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that review of the AMG GTR Pro. What an incredible car. It's beautiful. Hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until next time, we'll see you later.